Hey everybody, it is Joe from Twisted Plays, and I just wanted to take a minute to show you the new Twisted Plays account on our website. As you know, we did a complete remodel of our website in November 2021, and we did that for this purpose to try to make A, ordering easier, but B, you accessing all of your information much easier. So I just want to quickly show you what is entailed here, or part of the account. So when you log into your account, you have a few options. At the top of every screen, you'll see the account icon here, where you have a few options here. If you just click on, by the way, that account, it'll bring you to your dashboard. You can also click on account dashboard to get here. You can access your orders, your downloads, your e-kits, and your show licenses here. These are the 4 pages that we see that are accessed the most by our customers. That's why they're here quickly. In your dashboard, though, you have a bit more options here, including editing any of your information, and then doing some of the things you saw before. You can look at your order history. You can see if you have any downloads. You can check your e-kits, excuse me. And of course, if you have to make any return requests, you can do that here. You can check and see if you have any credits on your account. If you have any products that have recurring payments, you can do that here. You can subscribe to the newsletter. And then there are also here, we have some documents that'll be for all of our members. And then here, just links to our W-9, because that is a requested document that you get. You'll also see all of these options on the right-hand side for any of our account pages. So I just want to explore a few things with you. The order history should look very similar to what it's looked like before. So you'll be able to see your order information, and then you can always click on the little eyeball on the right-hand side here to kind of see what the order looked like. And then you'll be able to see all the details, the products that you ordered, and then any order history here at the bottom. If an order has shipped, you'll see a tracking number, which you can actually copy and paste right here and track it right on the website. And sometimes we'll upload some files right here to the order history. You'll see all of that here. You can, of course, reorder anything or return anything here as well. Let's look at the e-kits page. Well, actually, let's look at the downloads page first. So here's your downloads page. So on this page, you have any downloaded items that need to go here. So sometimes, especially for plays, not so much with musicals, but with plays, they have downloads which are just like the script, right? And you'll find that right here. So on the right-hand side, you'll see a little download icon, and you can just download. It'll have all the information here. If you ordered an e-kit, though, e-kits now have their own page. If you just click on the word e-kit here, of course, you can go to the top and click on e-kits. You can get to your e-kits. Now, I don't have any e-kits here, but what you will see is the date you have the e-kit added, the e-kit information, which typically includes a link to open the e-kit, and then the number of licenses you have for that e-kit. E-kit licenses just mean basically the number of directors or locations that are allowed to use that e-kit. Now, some of our plays and musicals do come with a special show license, and up until now, you got that by email, but now you can get that right here on the website. Just click on show licenses. I don't have any show licenses in my account to show you, but again, it's very basic. You'll see the date the license was added, and then you'll see the license information here, and there will be a link to download that license, so you can always get to your license at any time. Again, these main options are also available in the accounts here at the top of the page, where you can check your orders, downloads, and e-kits. There's also a little bit of some account links at the bottom of the screen on our footer of our website as well that you can access, but I would highly recommend using this or going directly to your account dashboard. If you are on any page on our website, you can always get to that account dashboard or these basic links right here. I want to thank you so much for being a Twisted Plays customer. Hopefully this helped you. If you have any questions, always hit the chat button at the bottom of the screen, give us an email, or give us a call. Thanks so much, and enjoy the rest of your day.